Peerless Plastics Coatings is a specialist applicator of UV cure hard coatings based in the UK, serving the world. So we offer a wide range of services, obviously hard coatings being the core, but also CNC fabrication, cutting, assembly, conductive coatings, as well as decorative and functional paints. So we very much focus on the application of hard coatings in a spray method, and we coat all of our products in horizontal orientation. What that enables us to do is to include within the coatings nanoparticles and small additives that are evenly spread across the sheet. So one of the benefits of our process is that we coat edge to edge, which gives you consistent performance, which is very important with things such as antimicrobial coatings, NIR block, and also ESD. So we've recently developed a small coating line which is dedicated to the application of all of our existing hard coating technology onto smaller substrates, smaller parts, panels, extrusions and injection molded parts. Very much more focused on coating more 3D shapes that are more complex and require smaller runs and a higher degree of control. So our core business, or our very much our niche, is large format sheet hard coating work. So that's very much where we've launched PolyGuard and the PolyGuard range, which is continuously being developed. So essentially it's a 3 meter by 2 meter polycarbonate sheet, double side hard coated. So of course we create a sustainable product, and it's very important to us to make sure that we produce that in a sustainable manner and really reduce the carbon footprint of the business. So we've taken many steps in order to do that. We've focused on the installation of solar panels to create renewable energy for ourselves. Also put in place voltage optimization, which really reduces in real terms the amount of electricity that we use. We've upgraded plant and equipment to ensure that we've got modern equipment that uses a lot less energy itself. So all of the products that we manufacture are recyclable in themselves in the way that you would recycle general plastic, but we do have an amount of plastic waste that we produce from our offcuts and the products that we manufacture. So they all go to, they're all recycled between all of the different types of plastics to ensure that they can be recycled as efficiently as possible, and we have significantly reduced the amount of waste.